Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica. In this video, we deal with the idiom, think outside the box, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to think in an original or creative way. On Friday afternoon, management encouraged their staff to drop what they are working on at the moment and try to come up with brand new ideas to present at their Monday morning huddle. Our company encourages thinking outside the box in a brainstorming session every Friday afternoon. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. He really wanted to spoil his wife for her birthday, so instead of bringing her out for dinner, he said, "I thought outside the box and decided that it would mean so much more if I cooked a meal at home." The lab scientists thought they would never get a cure for the virus. It took us a long time, and we thought we'd never get there until we started thinking outside the box. That's when we found the cure. The student seems to have hit a wall with their paper. "I just don't know what to write. I need to think outside the box in order to come up with an original idea." Here are some further examples, starting with professional situations. Some companies find that thinking while walking really stimulates the brain. We love our walking meetings because it really helps us to think outside the box. The marketing department have really stepped up their game lately. We've always thought outside the box to come up with fresh new ideas that will grab consumers' attention. The Board of Management hold an emergency meeting. This company is going to go out of business unless we start thinking outside the box. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let us know.